Okay, we'll take a look at a couple more examples here. We'll look at part A first. We have 8a cubed b to the 6th, all to the 1/3 power. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to look at each piece separately. We'll look at the 8, we'll look at the a, we'll look at the b. So we look at the 8. 8 to the 1/3 power is the same as saying the cube root of 8. And we know that the cube root of 8 is 2. Right? Cube root of 8 is equal to 2. So now when we look at a, we have a to the 3rd raised to the 1/3 power. So we multiply our powers, we get 3 over 3, which is the same as 1. We get a to the 1st power, which is just a. Write that down. Now we look at part B. We have b to the 6th, all to the 1/3. So we're going to multiply those powers. 6 multiplied by 1 over 3 is 6 over 3, which is the same as 2. So we have simplified that to ab squared. Now let's take a look at, I'll skip down to letter D here. So again, we're going to look at it in 3 parts. Our coefficient, our A, and our B. You'll notice there's no E here. We could, if we're so inclined, write a B to the 0, right? Because that's equal to 1. So we're not really adding anything there. Hopefully it becomes more clear in a minute here why we may have done that. So let's start with our coefficients. We have 100 divided by 25 is 4. We look at our A. We have a to the power of 1 divided by a to the 5th. So because we're dividing, we're going to subtract those powers. So 1 minus 5 is -4. We look at B. Now, our numerator doesn't have a B in it outright. We added it. We added B to the 0 power. You don't have to, but now we can subtract our exponents, right? 0 minus a -1/2 is equal to a +1/2. So that's all that stuff in the brackets, and we still have to take it to the 1/2 power. So let's do that next. So the 1/2 power is the same as square root. The square root of 4 is 2. Now we're going to multiply those exponents, the -4 and the 1/2, because it's a power to a power. So -4 times 1/2 is -4 over 2, which is equal to -2. So we have a to the -2. And then we look at B. We have 1/2 to 1/2. So we have 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. So we write that right there. So theoretically, we are done. Now, I double-checked with the textbook. The textbook really, really, really likes having all positive powers. So we need to deal with that -2. So we can rewrite this as 2 b to the 1/4 all over a squared. right? We took the reciprocal, we moved it to the bottom of the fraction.